rising, listen. I want you guys to take a moment. Close your eyes. Have you ever just had so much going on? And it's okay. Even when you clear your plate and clear your mind, you still find a lot of things that you need to do or take care of, or people depending on you. What do you do? What do you do? If you don't know, or you're not sure, as a person with ADHD, a person that's neurodivergent, a mom, a wife, a small business owner, a writer, an author, I can tell you, sometimes things are out of our control and we still have to handle it. And things in our control, we have to handle it. So in that aspect, what you do, stop. Close your laptop, put the phone down for a minute. If it's nice and beautiful outside, walk out your door, front door, back door, side door, sliding door, doesn't matter what door, screen door. If it's pouring down raining where you're at, go outside, sit on your porch, on your deck, whatever. Open the door and just listen. So I want you guys to take a moment and just stop. God will never put more on you than what you can bear. You don't have to worry. You are given this task and this battle to be victorious. Okay? You are given this to overcome any and every obstacle that you thought you couldn't. You are given this because you are chosen for this task and you are a conqueror. So just close your eyes for a minute or a few seconds or 2 minutes or however long you want to go outside. Close your eyes and silence your mind. Listen. The sun is shining so bright and is shining down on you for a reason. It's God peeking through the sun and letting you know, or the universe, or higher power, or whoever, whatever you believe in, telling you, I got you. I got you. You have a lot of stuff going on. As soon as you clear one plate, it fills up with something else. I got you. Rested in my hands. I'm bigger than you. I can take care of it. I will never leave or forsake you. Don't worry. Worry about nothing but prayer for everything. So sometimes, guys, just take a moment. Just close your eyes. Get out in the sun and listen. If you can hear 3 things you've accomplished this technique. Just close your eyes and listen. Law of attraction says whatever you put out in the universe will come back. Law of attraction says when you manifest something and you step into or feel, when you close your eyes and shut your mouth but open your ears, you can feel a feeling of serenity. I hope you guys enjoyed this exercise for today. Like, share, subscribe, and remember, you are what you manifest to be. You are in control of your destiny.